Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the ATK, and I believe that stands for the all-terrain car. I'm not positive on that one. Okay, so let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this card, and the best way to start is to start with the muffler on the bottom. So we're just gonna draw in almost like it's a rectangle, but it's slightly rounded on the corners. Just kind of give it a little bit of curve. Okay, and then we're gonna draw in the back of it. So this one's easier. We're just gonna flare it out and then just close it off. And let's add in some segments here. So come out, just kind of turn it, close it. And now for the end, come out even more. And let's close it off with a curve. And then to add in some details, we can add in, I'm just gonna add in 3 circles inside, and then on the bottom here, the spaces in between, we can add in a little bit of curves here, so it makes it look like there's circles going all the way around. Alright, and then so after we have the muffler, now we can draw in the wheel. So let's start out with the back one because it's bigger. So just kind of come out, just know that this is going to be in the middle, and then we're just going to draw from here, just draw a big circle for the tires. And it's always hard drawing a circle, so alright, so it's a little bit wobbly, but it's okay. And then once we have this one, let's draw in the wheel. It's a smaller one. Okay, and then for some details inside, we just gotta draw one more, so this one's easier. And then let's add 4 little bolts on each corner. Okay, so that's the back wheel, and the front wheel is going to be a little bit smaller. So just kind of come across, so know that this is going to be in the middle. Okay, we're going to draw in 1 circle here. And I know this one's going to be wobbly. And you can sketch it out first, you know, so you can get a nicer circle. Alright, and then from here, we're going to draw inside another one. And then for some detail again, center, and 4 more in the corners. Alright, so that's probably the hardest part, is getting these tires looking good. Okay, so from here, whatever space you have in the middle, just draw in a little line so that it looks like there's more to the car. Okay, and then from here, now we're gonna draw in, the fenders first over the wheel. So in the middle here, just gonna draw 1 line, and then we're gonna start on this side here. We're gonna go all the way around the back wheel. So from here, just gonna curve it. So just kind of follow the line on the bottom on the wheel, go all the way around, and then we're gonna draw another one. So come in slightly, and we're gonna draw a bigger one all the way around. Okay, and then once you have that, just close that off. And then we're gonna let's draw in the front one now. So front one, this one's gonna go up a little bit more. So you can almost put a dot up here. If you come across, just put a dot up there. And then we're just gonna come down. I know it's a little bit tricky. Okay, so it's about that high. So now we're gonna give it some thickness. We're gonna just slant up, and then we're gonna curve it all the way down. And just kind of pinch it right at the end, so it's a little bit smaller. Okay, and then from here, let's draw in the little suspensions inside. So for the suspensions, you can draw in 2 lines like this first, and just round it off. And then from here, we just draw in a line. Let's draw in 2 lines. So it's actually pretty easy, right? Okay, and then for the back here, same thing. You can draw 1 line, and you probably won't see a lot of it. So just curve it out and just draw another line. And then same thing here. So then from here, let's try and fill in some of the car on the front. So right here, we're just gonna continue up, another slant. And then we're gonna go back in right about here, just past this point. And now we're just gonna curve it down and just come all the way down. So that's the front part. And let's add in the light. So it's just gonna be a little rectangle with a slant on it. And then some details, we can add in some lines. And then we can finish up, or let's finish up the front here. We can add the little, it's got a little bar here. So from the wheel here, we just draw in 2 lines like this first. And then this one's just gonna go up. So it's just a bar in the front, and then just round it off. All right, and then let's see, let's add in the back section here. So right on top of this fender here, we're just gonna extend that line right over the fender. Just draw a line like this on the back. Just gonna connect that. And then for this one, it's just gonna be the base of the seat. So just stop right around here and then just come down. All right, so it's starting to look like a car, right? All right, so then now let's go up and finish up these bars on the top here. So right here, curve, and then go up, slant it up past this point. And then we're just gonna turn it all the way back here, come down, and just connect that. And then now we're gonna separate the bars. So right here, just draw one line. And then on the inside here, we're just gonna draw another line. So this is gonna be 1 bar. Okay, so this is 1 bar. And then this one on the back, this one's easier. We're just gonna draw all the way around again. Okay, so now you have 1 bar and the bar on the back. And then now I can add in some details, just like some straps that goes up and down from this bar. So I'm just gonna draw in 3 lines like this. And we'll be able to see a little bit better once I color it. All right, and then from here we can let's add in 1 more bar up here. So from this corner, just go up, turn it, and then just come back down. And then let's just give it some thickness. So we're just gonna follow that. All right, so from here, let's finish up the frame on the top. So this one should be a little bit easier. And so we're just gonna come up and just draw a slant line like this first. So this is gonna be the roof of the car. Okay, and then we're just gonna give this line some thickness. Just come all the way across. And then at the end, just round it off. Okay, and then now we can connect up the top. So from this point here, just come down to that point. This is gonna be a bar, so we have to give it some thickness. And then from the front here, slant down. Same thing, just give it some thickness. And this bar is gonna be on the side here, so we're gonna continue this. Come down, close it. And if you want to add in some detail, we can add in a little detail like that. So you basically need to erase out that line right there. Okay, and then let's see, there's a light on the top. So this one's easy, we just draw a little angle like this. And then of course the steering wheel. So you can start in the corner, just kind of come up slightly, taper it, close it. We can add in 1 segment. And then we're just adding the steering wheel, so extend that line. Okay, and then just round it off. All right, and then we can add in the seat. So I know it's behind the bar, so it's a little bit hard to see, but we still have to draw something here. So it's gonna start here, just kind of come down, and we'll see this better once I color it too. So, and then we're gonna just follow that, and then here's the back of the seat. Come all the way up, and just turn it down. Okay, and then let's see, we're almost done. Just there's some more stuff on the back here. So for the back, we can let's add in the little fender here on the back. So we're gonna extend it and just come out, just draw like a little rectangle up here. And then there's an axe in here, because there's like some kind of golf bag, right? So for the axe, we can add in another Yeah, you might have to draw this if you don't want to. Just add in a little angle like this. There's a circle. And then add in some lines here for the tip of the axe. I know it's a little bit hard just to read because it's at a very strange angle. And then there's gonna be a bag that goes around it, so I'm just gonna draw in a line like this. And then after drawing that line, just give it some thickness all the way around. Alright, and then let's add in a little bit more detail. Here's the back. It's a little platform where they can actually stand. And then of course we gotta add in the little flag, right? So this one we're just gonna draw one line, just give it a little bit of bend, and then here's the flag. So just pinch it in, and then from here corner to corner just curve it. And that is it for this ATK in Fortnite. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.